Hello everyone, how are you all? This is me Anna and this is my show Explore with Anna. So friends, we are meeting after a long time due to my exams. So today I am in Guwahati and I will be going to Accoland, the dreamland. It is a beautiful water park and it is only 22 kilometers far away from railway station. So let's start our journey. I have reached to Accoland and I'm really excited. I have my tickets here and 680 is per person. So चलिए अंदर चलते हैं. Water slides and swings over here, so I'm really excited. So let's go. So friends, here you can have your own costumes and lockers on rent. So I have brought my costumes already from my home, so I will be taking lockers on rent. So let's take it. See guys, look at the people. I can't control after watching them, so let's jump into the pool. So friends, over here we also have Bayview Cafe. You can do here munching, eat snacks and then continue your playing in water till 6 p.m. So let's go! Guys, look at the people, those who are enjoying this. And see, there's a boat also. we dance. Let's go. Guys, I'm really scared to do this slide, but I will do it. So let's go, and I'm going to do the adventure. Come on. Which is the highest slide over here, so I'm going to do it. Come on. Guys, I'm too excited and scared also, but I will do it. This is so good! Hold it, hold it, hold it. highest slide, and now it's my turn, so let's go.
Yeah!
Guys, you can also see a single line train. See? I'm going to do the flying chairs. Let's go. So guys, I'm ready. So guys, this is the last ride of my day, and because I'm so tired, so I will be sitting here. So this is a train, so let's go. Guys, I'm able to see the entire park. The view over here is so beautiful. So guys, I'm going to 5D theater. Let's go. Guys, right now I'm in the mirror maze and there's a lot of confusion over here. Let's go and see. Finally I reached its must visiting place. You must come here.